people like me. They really.
There's been a mistake.
What kind of?
You actually aren't Rep of the Year.
But I'm gonna get it next year. I'm gonna get it next year. All right, let's do it.
You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. And nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
It's with great pleasure that I can now announce to the rest of the world one of the 10 best national Rep Warriors of the Year awards. Alan Rice, one of our own. This is a little pin for you, Alan.
Well, thank you. This is honestly too much.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. But you deserve it.
Hey, thank you very much. As I said before, it's an honor to be nominated and to be considered in the same breath with some of the people who, like Red Jackson or Patrick Reinecker, who have won this award in the past.
In the past, Road Warriors.
Road Warriors, the true warriors of the asphalt.
Rep of the Year for the Northwest from PPAI. Congrats.
Awesome. Thanks, Jackson.